So this is a 2007 LS 460 replacing the high intensity low beam, and there's another YouTube video that's great about how to do it, and what I did is take the tire completely off. I did it last time with turning the wheel and that works, but you get more space inside here if you take it completely off, and it's going a little faster. And we just got to the part where this is what covers it. You turn it left to take off the headlight, and then here you'll see through the bumpers the actual light that you're gonna turn left to take out. And this is the part where you wanna wear gloves. So you turn left and it comes right out. So that's taking that socket off, and then the bulb you'll see is right there, and you've got these hooks that you have to push forward. You can see if you push in, it'll release each side. And then the bulb, you pull back this wire and your bulb will come out. So it's just stuck a little on this wire here. And I'm replacing this because the headlight was going, there it is, it comes right out. The headlight was going off on me when it gets hot. So I've got the old bulb out, and that's what it looks like in there through the bumper. Okay, so I have the new bulb in, and the key is there's a slot on the top here that you align. There's a slot in this plastic that you align with the slot on top. Then it fits in solid, and then you put up each wire on each side and it'll hold it. I'm trying to get there. You can see at the top there's this notch, that slight light. That's what you gotta align at the top. Then it'll go right in, fit solid, and you can put your wires back on. Then you just reconnect this and you're good to go. Okay, the bulb's in and I just checked it and it's working. So then you take this cover, put it back in, and then lock is to the right. So you get it in, and then just like when you took it off, you just have to turn it to the right to lock it again. So if I can get it in, then I'll lock it. Okay, I got the cap back on, and that's a little tricky because there's 4 slots you gotta line up and then twist right. But now basically you're gonna take this bumper cover here and put it back under the edges and put your screws that you took out back in. And some of these up here are plastic and they're hard to get out, so they might break, and I bought replacement ones to put in. But just be aware, that's the tricky part, getting this down. So now we're gonna put those screws back in.